In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram Reels. Adding music can make your Reels more engaging, and the process is quick and easy. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the content options, select Reel to create a new Instagram Reel. Next, you can either choose a video from your gallery or tap the camera option to record a new reel. If you're recording a new video, you can add music before you start recording by tapping the music note icon and selecting a song from Instagram's music library. You can also add music after recording or uploading a video. Simply tap Next, then select the music icon at the top of the editing screen. From there, search for a song, browse available tracks, and tap the one you want to use. Once you've selected a song, choose the specific part of the track you want to include in your reel. You can also customize whether lyrics appear on the screen, depending on the song and available options. When you're happy with your selection, tap Done to apply the music. If you notice that certain songs are unavailable, it may be related to your account type. Business accounts often have a more limited music library compared to personal accounts, so you may want to review your account settings if you're missing tracks. That's it. Your music is now added to your Instagram Reel, and you're ready to finish editing and share it with your audience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.